just to indicate, first he is just to introduce Colonel Kadam. He happens to be the interviewing officer at Bangalore, old friend of mine, very qualified, and one of the excellent interviewing officers that you can ever come across. As far as Anjan is concerned, Anjan is son of NCO from AMC. He belongs to Medinipur in West Bengal. He has done academically very well in 84-85%, both 10th as well as 12th. He has not joined any NCC other activities. He runs. He likes to play football, and running is probably habit. Hobby. This is what he says. Running is a hobby. So that's all. Beyond that, here, since he remained in village, he doesn't have much to to show. That's the one unfortunate portion is available. So credential, NCC and other aspects, since he could afford to join, so they remain slightly odd. He has now recently joined an engineering college at Jaipur, and he is trying to pursue his engineering. So the first semester examination will be scheduled any moment now. Now I hand over to Colonel Kadam. I'll be muted and we'll come back at the end of it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Good morning, Anjan.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
How are you?
I am fine, sir.
Good. How do you find your engineering college and Jaipur as such?
Yes, sir. Sir, I find the engineering college in internet, and some colleagues of mine read in this college, and from there I know about the college.
Okay. So you have been staying throughout your life so far before joining this engineering college in Purba, Medinipur.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me about your district in details, as much as you know.
Yes, sir. So, starting about my district, I belong from Purba Medinipur district, and it is one of the district of West Bengal. There are many tourist spots. There are many tourist spots in our district, like Mohisadal Rajbari and the Digha beach, which is very important for our tourists. And there are one IIT in Kharagpur in our district. There are many boys from other state came to read in engineering, and besides there are one medical college in Medinipur, and besides, sir, in our district there are main agriculture is crops is, and the district was led by the AITMC political parties, All India Trinamool Congress, in our West Bengal, the government of India, the government of West Bengal. So the literacy of our district is very good. It increased 10%. It last 10 years. It came from 8 to 1%, and
Okay.
yes,
That's good. You said IIT Kharagpur is within your district, isn't it?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then you never thought of joining IIT Kharagpur?
No, sir. I cannot pass the JEE main exam, entrance exam.
Why can't you? Because you have got everything that one can ask for in your age group.
Sir, in my 12th, sir, I focus on my board exam. So sir, in my 12th exam, I focus on my board exam. So I don't
Acha.
get a chance to
Okay.
make extra coaching for IIT. JEE.
Okay. Right. We'll start the interview.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
talk about your education background.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thereafter, we'll go to your family, other your hobbies, interests, things like that.
Yes, sir.
Now, tell me about your education starting from standard 7th onwards.
Yes, sir.
What all subjects did you have? The subjects which you liked the most, the subjects we did not care about much, and how did you perform in your various classes from 7th onwards? Tell me about your teachers in the school in every year, the teachers you liked the most, the teachers you did not care about much, and why. About your friends, your classmates, your schoolmates, the sports you played, and all that you did in school, and of course, including your junior college, 11th and 12th. Yeah, start.
Yes, sir. So, sir, starting about my study, I am from 7. I I I am average student in my class. My roll number is 15 from 7th, and then 12 in 18, then then 9 in 19, and then 10. My roll number is 8. So in from 7, I like the subject most mathematics. I like the subject most mathematics, and I there are no subject I dislike, but there is little bit problem for me that Sanskrit in our 7 and 8, it is a subject that I can't that I can't understand very much Sanskrit. So I dislike the subject because Sanskrit is not in our higher study. So I dislike this, and the in our 11th and 12th there I also like mathematics and physics, and I think chemistry in the organic portion of chemistry is little bit hard to memorize because there are many reactions for in every temperature the reactions are changed. So I think this is a little bit hard for memorize. And in class 10 I got 82%, and in my 12th I got 88.42% in my academics. And I came from Raghunathwadi Ramtarak High School, which is situated 4th kilometer in from our house. And I studied same school in 10th and 12th. And speaking about my teachers, there are two teachers which I like most. One is Sumit sir, who is very good sir, because he support me from my childhood, from class 3 he supported me till now. And one teacher is Sushanta Mondal, who I read here for mathematics in 11 and 12. He also very good teacher because the capacity of his studying style is very good, because he solved the mathematics in various types. He solves one mathematics in various types, which I like most. And sir, there are no teacher that I dislike in my academics. So, and about my friend circle, and there are in my school there are many friends in my class, because we play together in football in our school in tiffin hours, and after ending our school there are many friends, because 5 to 6 friends is close to me, because we goes and tuition, because we go to school and tuition together every time. And 2 and 3 friends is very close to me because our ambition is same. We all before 12 we all go from 7 to 11. We all go to the ground for at 5 a.m. for running and other exercise. So Amit, Suman, it is my very close friend because our ambition is same. And there are any extra 2 friends is Osid and Sovik because we go to the tuitions together. We help each other in all problems. We solve our problems and we solved our problems each other, and when we enjoy ourselves, when we came from tuition, we discuss about the topic which we read in the tuition, and after when we reached from the school, we enjoyed. We don't discuss any topic. We also discuss about sports in our school when we came from school. And
Okay, that's good. You said right in the beginning that you were average in your school.
yes,
Why do you say so? And also you said you have got many friends, but only 2-3 close friends. What's the difference between these 2 friends? What are the qualities you look for in a friend to make him your close friend?
yes, sir. Sir, they are close friends because our ambition is same, sir. Our thought process, our ambition is different from the other friends. So it is very close for me.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And why did you say you are average in school?
Because, sir, I don't.
You are an NCO's son, your dad is doing well. You have got no problems in life. Roti, kapda, makan, rehne ke liye. You stayed in one place, school, in the same school, good friends all around. Everything atmosphere is for studies and everything what you want to do, whether whatever it is. And still you were average. What is the reason? Have you realized it?
Yes, sir, because I after 6 I don't get in the position in 1, 2 or 3. So I said I am average in our school.
Mm-hmm. So you mean to say 82% and 88% is good enough?
I think.
Okay, you think?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And you said your friends have got common goal. What is your goal?
Sir, join Indian Army, sir.
Okay. Then why did you join the NDA? Did you appear for NDA?
Yes, sir. One time I appeared for India because they are. Then I read in class 12, so I don't focus personally on this topic. I just appeared. Yes, sir.
Okay. You already appeared once for the TS.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. TS 44. Yes, sir.
And you got screened out. Did you analyze yourself why you got screened out and what improvements you have made in yourself so that this time you should get selected?
Because, sir, my speaking skill in English is weak, very weak then, and my thought process is weak this time. I don't think about the story very much. So I think I was screened out from this time.
Okay. Good. Now we will talk about your family background.
Yes, sir.
Tell
Yes,
me
sir.
about your father, your mother. What are how do you interact with them? What all you do together as a family? You don't have any brother or sister, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 3 of you, a big family, a close family. What are the other relations? What all you do together with your other bigger family? Your family. You must have gone to your father's unit sometimes. What all did you do there, and which all places did you visit, and what all did you learn about the army from, as your father is from the army?
Yes, sir. Speaking about my family, there are three persons: me, my father, and my mother. Mm, My father is Indian. My father work in Indian Army, and my mother is housewife. So, for his duty, my father is far away from our home. So I spend the most time with my mother, and I every problem discuss with my mother. And but my father always supported me from if he far away, there is no problem. Mm, I discuss all problems with my mother, and in my holidays I help my mother. From class 7 to 8, I help in marketing, and um, I I go to the electricity bill, and there are many homemade works I do to from 7. And there are relatives in my father's brother which called I uncle. We lived in our same house. They There are my elder brother. They all are. I also interact with them. They did not now in home because they always they all went from our house many years ago. And when my father came, I spent when my father came to home. I spend time with my father. I spent time with my father, and the relations between my father and me as a friend, there is no. I don't underestimate to speak anything about me with my father. I always told my problem my father and mother. I also discuss all things in my life. So we live in a friends, family and friends. And
Good. Which all places did you go to visit your father? And
sir,
to learn about the army from him, or otherwise you know about the army?
yes, sir. I go to Punjab when I was 3 or 4 years old. I go to Punjab, then I go to Nasik, and then I go to Odisha, Chandipur, Odisha, and then I came home for my studies. And sir, there I see the rules which I most like: the discipline and punctuality of the army, and I like also the uniform of the officers and Joans always, and I like their trustworthiness and helpfulness. Always, I also like there. So, all unit. And now my father posted in Calcutta Command Hospital, and there I go when I see same things in there.
So what all do you know about the army because of which you want to join the army? Not just the uniform and discipline. What do you know about the army?
Sir, army is a very prestigious job, which is very responsible job for our country, and army saves our country from other nationalism or other countries. So I think it is very prestigious job which helpful all over the country.
Okay, good. Now we will talk about you. What all interests you have, what all games you play, what all books do you read.
Yes.
Tell me about athletics and football in detail, because that's the one you have been playing in your school and winning trophies also, isn't it? Also tell me what all you do on Sundays or other holidays other than playing these two games. What is your daily routine on a day when you had schooling, when you're staying in your with your mother, right from the time you used to get up in the morning till the time you went to sleep at night? Similarly, tell me all that you did on a holiday oblique Sunday, and how exactly, other than shopping, which you are saying, did you help your mother in the daily chores?
Yes, sir. Yes. Speaking about my sports, I like to play running. I like to running and long jump, and I also play football. And sir, from three, I get many from class 3 to 10. I got many prizes in my school, and as a I play as a defender in my school football team from 2015 to 18, and I got two awards: Best Player of Defender in 2016 and 17, and sir, the, in sir, in my 12th there is very pressure in my academics. I have 6 tuition in my 6 subject in 6 tuitions in my academics. So there is no such time to spend any other sport. I in our holiday I practice my subject like physics, mathematics in my holiday. I also covered the syllabus as soon as possible, because sir, the time of our examination is very short. So I in my holiday I complete my subject, and sometimes I play chess and I also like to play chess. Sometimes I play chess, and in my hobbies there are, I like to read Bengali storybooks or novel, English novel, Shakespeare's novel, and in
Which is the last novel you read?
sir, I read Othello, Shakespeare's novel, Othello.
Tell me about it. What all did you read and what all did you learn from it?
Sir, the novel is the Othello is a is not the is, can I speak in Hindi, sir? I don't explain in English.
In Hindi.
Yes, sir. ओथेलो जो था वो राजवंश से नहीं था, लेकिन वो जो किंगडम का जो राजकन्या था उसको वो स्टोरी सुनाता था. सो इस कदर वो दोनों का लव हुआ, लेकिन वो एक प्रजा था, तो उसका फादर ने उसको एवॉइड कर दिया कि उसको शादी नहीं करने दिया उसके साथ. देन ओथेलो but Desdemona, the daughter of the king, married Othello, and they went from our father kingdom. Then but there was another person, उधर एक अलग आदमी था जो ओथेलो के ऊपर जो मतलब हिंसा जो करता था, वो डेस्डेमोना को, ओथेलो को डेस्डेमोना के उन दोनों के अंदर एक विवाद खड़ा करने का कोशिश किया था. सो एंड ही सक्सेसफुल इन इट. thus Othello killed her wife at last, and he always killed himself. This is the story, sir.
Okay. What did you learn from this story?
I learned from sir, before, without any, मतलब कुछ करने से पहले सोचना चाहिए, और हिंसा कभी, मतलब किसी को संदेह नहीं करना चाहिए, एनी रीजन.
Okay. अच्छा, आपका डेली रूटीन सुनाइए.
Yes, sir. Sir, in my 12th, I have 6 tuition, and they are start from morning at 6 a.m. and the tuition end. After tuition, I came back home and I go to school, and I came back home then 4 p.m. and then I again go to my tuition and at 6 p.m. and then I came back home at 10 p.m. This if there is the mathematics tuition, then I came back home at 12 to 1 a.m. sir. बहुत रात को छोड़ता था, मैथमेटिक्स विषय था.
Okay.
Yes sir. So ये मेरा रूटीन ऐसे ही कट जाता था, सिर्फ पढ़ाई में, सुबह से शाम तक रात.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
और इतना पढ़ने के बाद भी 88% मार्क्स.
Yes sir, because I think my chemistry portion is little bit weak, sir.
Okay. Okay. और छुट्टियों के दिनों में, संडे और छुट्टियों के दिनों में?
संडे के दिन में तो संडे के दिन में भी ट्यूशन था सर, छुट्टी नहीं था. ट्यूशन,
मतलब
ट्यूशन. हाँ, नहीं.
इस साल तो पूरे साल में आपका तो लॉकडाउन ही चलता रहा.
हाँ, इस साल तो लॉकडाउन चलता. इस साल तो घर में ही रहा सर, कहीं बाहर भी.
12th मार्च लास्ट ईयर.
यस सर.
से एग्जाम तक तो आप स्कूल तो गए नहीं होंगे.
हमारा एग्जाम तो हो गया था ना मार्च में. इस
मार्च में ना, 21 मार्च में. मैं 20.
अच्छा
पूरा
21
जो शुरू में हुआ होगा, मई जून में शुरू हुआ होगा ना 12th क्लास लास्ट ईयर 2020 में.
2020 नहीं सर, 2020 में.
अभी 21 चल रहा है ना.
2020 में तो मैं एचएस दे दिया था ना.
अच्छा, 12 दे दिया.
हाँ, 12 दे दिया था 2020.
क्या किया तब से अब तक, क्या क्या किया?
तब से अब तक मैं घर पे ही हूँ, मेरा ऑनलाइन क्लास चल रहा है इंजीनियरिंग में.
ओके.
यस
तो आपका 1 साल वेस्ट हो गया.
यस सर.
ओके. और ये 1 साल में सिर्फ ऑनलाइन क्लासेस कौन कौन से किए?
ऑनलाइन क्लासेस सर, हमारा मैं सीएसई में हूँ, कंप्यूटर साइंस इंजीनियरिंग. देयर आर मेनी सब्जेक्ट्स सर, मैथमेटिक्स, फिजिक्स एंड प्रोग्रामिंग, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग. दिस इज द मेन सब्जेक्ट इन आवर कंप्यूटर.
आपका भी कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है इंजीनियरिंग में?
इंजीनियरिंग में अभी जो एग्जाम चल रहा है इसमें फिजिक्स है, मैथमेटिक्स है.
आपने कौन सा ब्रांच लिया है इंजीनियरिंग का?
सीएससी सर, कंप्यूटर साइंस इंजीनियर.
ओके, कंप्यूटर साइंस इंजीनियर.
यस सर.
तो जयपुर में कहाँ पर है ये कॉलेज? कितना दूर है शहर से?
सर 40 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम जयपुर रेलवे स्टेशन.
अच्छा, चलो. तो इसे ना रिमोट एरिया या ठीक है, बस्ती ठीक?
यस सर.
अच्छा, तो कॉलेज के बाहर भी पढ़ते हो कभी?
यस सर.
कॉलेज से बाहर कभी जाते हो?
नहीं सर, फर्स्ट ईयर पे अलाउ नहीं.
अच्छा, फर्स्ट ईयर अलाउड नहीं. और कॉलेज का कैंपस कितना बड़ा है?
सर 32 एकड़ है सर.
32 एकर्स.
यस सर.
तो आप तो फुटबॉल में बैक का डिफेंडर का काम करते हो.
यस सर, डिफेंडर.
लेकिन फिर भी जब लड़के इकट्ठा आ जाते हैं तो कभी ना कभी झगड़ा तो हो ही जाता है.
सर, इट इज अ टीम गेम.
झगड़ते भी हो?
नहीं सर, झगड़ते कम है.
अच्छा, तो वहाँ मेस में, डाइनिंग कैंटीन में आप खाना खाते होंगे?
यस सर, कैंटीन में इसमें खाना.
तो किसी बात पर आपके ही क्लास का एक लड़के के साथ आपका झगड़ा हो जाता है कैंटीन के अंदर, और वो आपको अननेसेसरी तंग करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, आपको बोल रहा है कि ये टेबल खाली कर, मेरे को यहीं बैठ के खाना खाना है, और आपको बोलता है अभी कभी उठ जाएगा, और आपने खाना शुरू किया हुआ था, आप क्या करेंगे?
ऐसा तो कभी हुआ नहीं सर, बिकॉज
अगर हो
बहुत
करोगे, जब बहुत काफी बार, तो जब भी झगड़ा होता है तो वैसे पहले कभी होता नहीं है ना, कभी ना
नहीं
कभी
सर,
होता ही है।
यस सर, मैं उसको बताऊंगा। अगर मेरा खाने के बाद वो बैठ सकता है, अगर वो तब भी झगड़ता है, नहीं सुनता है, तो आई विल लीव द प्लेस।
अच्छा, जब जब वो तुम उठकर जा रहा होता है, बोलता है पहले ये टेबल को अच्छी तरह साफ करते रहे हाथ से, अब क्या करेगा?
Okay, sir. If you will happy to see, if you will happy to see the place clean, then I will
You will
clean the place. Yes, sir.
तो वो हाथ से जब आपने साफ किया तो वो खुश नहीं हुआ, उसको बोलता है शर्ट निकाल, तेरा टी शर्ट निकाल और उससे साफ कर अभी।
नहीं सर, I don't do this.
नहीं, उसने बोला, तुम क्या करोगे वो मेरे को आपने बताना है।
अच्छा अच्छा, तो मैं बताऊंगा कि मेरा शर्ट खराब हो जाएगा उसको।
क्या हो जाएगा?
मेरा शर्ट खराब हो जाएगा। मैं
वो एक थप्पड़ मारता है, बोलता है शर्ट खराब हो जाए कुछ हो जाए, पहले साफ कर और फिर बाद में यहाँ से निकल पड़ बिना मुंह खोले।
No sir, I will fight with him. Then I will fight with him. I don't do this.
उसने फिर, आप नहीं कर रहे, देखा कि आप शर्ट नहीं निकाले, उसने एक मुक्का मारा, आप गिर गए नीचे अपने खाने के साथ।
Then
और
I
मारूं क्या?
then I will stand up and I will hit same types.
हाँ,
मैं उठूंगा, फिर उसको भी मैं मारूंगा, तब अगर ऐसा करेगा तो।
लेकिन वो तो बड़ा है, स्ट्रांग है आपसे, और वहां का गुंडा लगता भी है गुंडा शक्ल सूरत से।
गुंडा सर शक्ल से तो लगने नहीं होता, पर फाइटिंग में समझा जाता है कौन असली है।
अच्छा, आप उसको मारना शुरू कर दोगे?
यस सर।
हाँ,
यस
डरो?
सर। नहीं सर, नहीं डरूंगा।
क्यों? वहां तो आप पढ़ाई करने के लिए गए हैं, इतने मुश्किल से पिताजी ने आपको वहां भेजा है, और आप वहां झगड़ा करना शुरू कर दिया।
लेकिन सर वो उसने तो मुझे तंग किया ना, पहले तो मैं मान गया था दो चीज, फिर वो शर्ट निकालने के लिए बोला।
अच्छा ठीक है, मैं समझता हूँ, तो आपने अभी तो झगड़ा कर दिया है।
यस सर।
पहले बार ही क्यों उसकी बात मानी? फिर पहले बार मारा, फिर हाथ से साफ भी करने के लिए आपको बोल रहा है,
यस सर।
क्यों नहीं मारा?
क्योंकि वो छोटा प्रॉब्लम था, अगर वो खुश हो जाता उससे तो मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता, दोनों का रिलेशनशिप अच्छा रहता।
तो अभी शर्ट में क्या इतना हो गया? ये भी तो थोड़ा छोटा, हाथ से तो अच्छा शर्ट से साफ करो, हाथ तो तुम्हारा खुद पर्सनल हाइजीन खराब होता है।
हाथ तो सर धो लेंगे, लेकिन शर्ट तो खराब हो जाएगा।
हाँ,
शर्ट खराब हो जाएगा, हाथ तो धो लेंगे।
शर्ट भी धुल जाएगा ना? नहीं,
वो उधर तो खुद को धोना पड़ता है ना सर।
अच्छा चलो
यस सर।
ठीक है, गुड। अच्छा ये बताइए, आपके तो फुटबॉल प्लेयर, वो कॉलेज में टीचर्स को आपके पता चला, बोलते हैं सब नए लड़कों का, नए फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट्स का फुटबॉल मैच होगा
यस सर।
सेकंड ईयर स्टूडेंट्स के साथ,
यस सर।
और आपका जो फुटबॉल इंचार्ज, स्पोर्ट्स इंचार्ज कॉलेज का, वो आपको बुलाता है और बोलता है यू विल ऑर्गेनाइज दिस फुटबॉल मैच
ओके सर।
इन द कॉलेज प्रीमाइसेस द कमिंग, मतलब 4-5 दिन के बाद संडे आने वाला, बोलते संडे सवेरे मैच होगा। आप मेरे को बताइए, ये मैच है और इसमें विनिंग टीम को प्राइज दिया जाएगा। ओके, मेरे को आप बताइए आप क्या क्या प्लानिंग करेंगे और एक्चुअल कंडक्ट कैसे करेंगे?
यस सर। Sir, if I get a chance to organize a football team, I choose 5 to 6 players from my college, and along with them, I organize the game in our college premises. Um, and there are, in the game, I think there will be the medical facilities, and the in football, sir, there will medical facilities is main. And I told all our college students about the game, who is participate in this game. I create a list of all students who participate in the game, and then I submit the authority which conduct the football game. And sir, I also see about the ground. How is the ground look like? It is very important in the game. And in football games, there must be one referee and 2 linesmen is very important. So I include them, and so that's the I get organized my game with help of my teammates.
ये फुटबॉल फील्ड का मार्किंग वगैरह कौन करेगा, साफ सफाई कौन करेगा, ये लाइंसमैन कौन कहाँ से लाओगे, रेफरी कहाँ से आएगा, और कोई स्पेक्टेटर्स के लिए कोई अरेंजमेंट करेंगे आप, नहीं करेंगे? बाकी बहुत कुछ होता है ना फुटबॉल मैच से पहले।
सर, लेकिन सर अगर
डिटेल में बताइए।
ये सर अगर ये कॉलेज का अंदर होगा तो हम लोग, सर मैं उधर नया हूँ तो मैं बाहर का आदमी को पहचानता नहीं, अगर तो कॉलेज का अंदर से ही सब कुछ लेना पड़ेगा इन आवर सीनियर with including our senior, and we clean the field in football. And in our sir, the referee, sir, I told that the referee will be our sports sir, and there are 2 boys who is a role in the linesman, which I include them, and they are in commentary there, sir. I include one person from my class, and sir, and
Okay.
yes, sir.
Anjan, I have been asking you a lot of questions for last half an hour or so.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Do you have anything to ask me?
No, sir. Nothing.
No.
No, sir.
Chalo. Okay.
Thank
Good.
you.
Sir, over to you.
Right. I think, Anjan, I think now,
Yes.
first and foremost, you are a good person, nothing wrong with you. Pious, good man, would like to do well. You got ambition to join services, fair enough. You got motivation to join it. But the problem is, you're not, you recollect back when you talked about, personality theory by itself. When you talked about, we have got something like it's called ocean, open to experience. The very first question that he asked about your own district, talk about this, and you couldn't afford to talk about your district itself. And you gave a very, very, incoherent, the word is incoherent reply you gave it. First, you started as a good tourist spot. You didn't talk about which all places are there. You didn't talk about image. You didn't name even a single place where the tourist spot is going to be there. You talked about IIT, you talked about medical college, and you talked about agriculture is the main thing. And then you suddenly came back to the TMC is around there, and then partial literacy is very high. This is all you could only talk about. What does it mean? Open to experience. Until if you cannot afford to talk for 10 minutes about your own place, what does it indicate? You are just not at all open to OC. Do you remember open to experience consentedness, OCE agreeableness, EN extrovert, and neuroticism. So that's okay. So the very first thing that you are not at all open, that is the fundamental variable. Secondly, now main thing is the communication. You are very incoherent, very incoherent, cryptic. You are just probably you are trying to translate from one language, probably still Bangla to English, and as a result, you are not in a position to be flow. Flow is missing. You are very, very cryptic. One sentence, again talk about it, wait until it comes back around there. You are asking the interviewing officer now, should I talk in English, Hindi around there? Well, he has already given you the permission that he already implied. If you can't afford to talk English, they talk English. That is what is the all implied meaning. But it certainly indicates if you can't afford it, you have read till 12th in English medium or you have given exams in English, and if you can't afford to talk about, you're doing engineering in English. English is not, engineering is not done in any other language. And if you cannot afford to talk in English, that fundamentally goes against you. You remember, power of expression is one of the important qualities which are there. So that it becomes questionable, and that's one of the important aspect of it, isn't it? Now next comes back, and if you are not able to reflect back, it's even the effective regions, your reasoning ability. When you talk about the district, I'm talking very first question. Districts one, say, what should you talk about it? You are not able to organize your thought. What should come first? What should come later? What are the ideas that you are supposed to give? Until you do it, that's of no use. Okay, then you started what you cannot tell. You very rightly put because it didn't appear for passing. You could have given initially only. He had to prod it and tell you back that you didn't appear for JE. When he asked you, why don't you join? If IIT there, why not IIT around there? You can say, probably. Then later we came back, say, yes, sir, I didn't appear because I was I was burdened with the board examination and board, I didn't even appear for it. At least made an endeavor to appear. There's no harm. Passing or failing is a separate issue, which you would even try. Okay. Then he focused. Then he had asked the question from class 7th onward. And he simply talked about my ranking was said 7th, 8th, 9th, and all, and he came back to 10th and 12th. Especially was performance. Tell me about your performance. You did talk about the subject you like it, subject you didn't like it, fair enough. That is okay. The reason you gave it very rightly so, there's absolutely no problem. And then when he talked about the friends and he says you got so many friends and only 3-4 friends are there, you were not very, to the point. You did talk about what the quality are there. Why should you have only 2 friends, 3 friends or not more? You could afford talk more. Improvement. Then you talk about you school. Then he says friends 2, 3, same ambition. He says you were same. What was the ambition? Joint services. And you couldn't afford to talk about the services at all.
Yes, sir.
Why do you want to join services? What he asked you very question around there. You talk about army, and you couldn't even give anything. What he says, army is meant for nationalism. Is it to cater for nationalism? No. For external army is meant for external aggression, isn't it? So you talk, and you should have told him more and more in detail about army. And since your father happens to be services around there, you can't afford to miss out from there. Okay. Then he says, I am saying very rightly, you put because later you came back when he asked you have any average student. And rightly so. He came much later on and said, I couldn't afford to come first, second, third. That's why I'm a registrant. That's the reason he came back. Why couldn't he come back? So when you ask for performance, so okay, 70, 80%, 90%, I've been performing, but I've not been top in the class, but I still remain the first top 3, 4. That's how he should have gone across from there. Okay. Then it's motivation to join service, you have got it. Speaking skill, thought process requires a lot of, I think it's, you have to reorganize yourself. Thought process itself, there is a crypticness that comes into play. Then when you talk about the father-mother relationship, you're talking about good relations with the father, he's a friend, fair enough. But he's talking, when you interact with the family as a family, what all decision you take? Where are you involved in the decision making? What all things you interact? What do you share? By being a friend doesn't mean anything. That's why you just laugh at how we go for cinema and finish have a good meal. That's also being a friend. Is that the friendship? Friendship, you have not given any detail. How well are you interacting with your family? Yeah, and he talked about beyond that. You talked about only about your uncle. You didn't have a maternal uncle. There may be maternal uncles. So many other friends would also be there. You didn't even talk about it. Then you talk about why do you want to join services? Only because discipline and punctuality. That's only two things you really came back. And he had to prod you back again to talk about, tell me, these two things are uniform, discipline and punctuality, only one, and trustworthy. But what beyond that? You couldn't afford to talk about it. Okay. Then you says in daily routine, you have always remained focused towards self. On the Sundays, holidays, and other you say I'm busy doing my classes. That may be busy, no, but you won't have been busy throughout the year, and you can't be studying for 24 hours a day. You would have found some time opportunity to talk to at least contribute your humble mind towards your family. What have you done? Except for 1 hour in the morning that you talked initially, you never talked about it. Then he says, think before you act. That you said, think before that. He said that you said one of your own failure. Think before you act. Okay. Then he talked about quite the place. Then you couldn't have the whole, even the organizing of a simple thing like a football match, which you are a good sports person. He has to keep on prodding you, keep on getting around there. There's a need overall. You are a good person who is a good human, who can do well.
Yes, sir.
You have to take control of yourself. Simple. Simple. Beyond that, I would leave it to Kadam to decide and say what is there. But at least certainly, I'm not at all impressed with your present status. In spite of the fact we spent quite some time, there is improvement onto you. When you came back very first day, you couldn't even talk a line. At least you are talking about it. That itself is happiness. I grant you that much since the time you came back to now. There's a lot of it. If you just organize yourself, remain free. Why should be hesitant? You can do well. You've got all the potential to do well. You have to take control of yourself. I leave it to Kadam for decide what he would like to take.
Okay. Anjan,
Yes, sir.
Prasad has brought out, you have the potential,
Yes, sir.
but only thing I found is you have little lack of confidence, and you are thinking too many things in your mind, expecting something, whatever, I don't know, you are thinking of the result in advance or something like that. Unless you have confidence in yourself, your abilities, which are there, everything is there, but you have to speak confidently. And if you have that confidence and open mind and answer with open mind, then only you will be able to listen to what all the interviewing officer is asking you. Then only you'll be able to remember what all he has asked. He'll definitely going to ask you 10 to 15 questions minimum in a stretch first time. Out of that, you must answer 100% and preferably in the same sequence. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And he sequence also from 7th onwards. So 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You must show your presence of mind and little more than that. Nowhere ever did you mention about this last 1 year's futile. Most of the students all over the world, they lost their academic year and they had to do something. In spite of asking, ultimately, I had to ask you a specific question about it or tell you about it, that is what has happened. Well, I was under the wrong impression that you completed your 12th in this March. Probably I missed out the date in your PIQ. Okay, but you,
Yes, sir.
I finished it in March 2020, and because you're thinking of something else, you got confused between 20 and 21, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Have you written down something which you keep referring to, seeing on the side?
No,
Right?
sir.
टिक के रखा हुआ है. Have you?
No, sir. What
Yeah,
he's trying
nothing.
to tell
No,
you,
no,
you were
I-
trying to look at side, left, right, center. You're not paying. You are supposed to look at straight to the eyes of the interviewing officer. You're trying to talk left, turning right, and then you're trying to, as if you're trying to look at a note. And secondly, before he connect them talks about it, I'll just tell you on that what he has done. He has not even appeared in any of the examination where he could have paid less in the government in West Bengal joint, say, combined engineering examination. There is no need for him for going to Jaipur. He has to have an answer for it. He has got no answer because he has. If he would appear probably almost free, that is government education, education from government engineering college in West Bengal is almost free for locals. Now he is paying heavily from his pocket to join at Jaipur only because probably he has got certain friends with which he is going. That is the basic issue. So there is a problem. There's a clause. He gets swayed away by his friends and people wrong. Sorry, sir. I'll see. Go ahead, sir.
Anyway, this lack of confidence, you may have that thought in your background कि मैं तो विलेज में पढ़ा हुआ हूँ.
Yes, sir.
इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आजकल from cities, boys are not joining NDA or the defense forces. We have got shortage of officers in the Indian Army. Only people from villages and small towns, they are joining. So you are the material from which majority of the people become officers, not from cities and not from the rich families. They do not join the armed forces. You must keep that in mind. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood? And
Yes,
put it
sir.
fix. I am the material. You are the material for the officers in the Indian Army. Especially you have got such a good background. Your father is in the army. You must know much more about the army than what you have shown today. Abhi bhi there is, you have not lost time to find out about the Indian Army. Everything is there in the in net nowadays. Okay, and you must gather your thought in a sequentially manner and see, like district, what all should I tell about the district? First, tell its geographic location. Just saying in West Bengal may not help. One of the okay.
I'll just give you 5 minutes. I'll interview me. I'll just come finish up.
Tourist spots,
Yes, sir.
the people, agriculture, what all they do, the population, all the institutes. So this sequentially you must tell. And anybody whom you tell that IIT Kharagpur is in your district and you have not tried for it, that means something somewhere is amiss.
Miss.
Yes, sir.
You must have a viable, proper answer for it, right? And I am purposely
Yes, sir.
you again and again, trying to put you this thing into a face. 82%, 88% is not enough, isn't it? You
Yes,
have
sir.
in life that your generation or a young man like you can ask for, and still, so you must have an answer for that. That everybody is going to ask you because you are the privileged
Yes, sir.
percentage of your generation, of your this thing. So you must engineering. Similarly, any question you must understand what the question, what is the meaning behind the question. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it
Yes,
is
sir.
a previous question, and of course SSB. You know it. Colonel Prasad must have told you about the qualities required and all that, and that's what the interviewing officer is trying to find out from you about the organizes courage. Of course, young man like you see, it's okay for in my age to say एक दो chance दे दिया उसको माफ कर दिया पहले बार माफ कर दिया. Maximum at your age खून बॉइल होना चाहिए कि मेरे को क्यों उठने बोले मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ नहीं उठूंगा क्या कर लेगा तो मेरा that should have been your first reaction of your age. That may not be the most sensible thing to do. But your age must first time only you must tell him कि you brother get lost. जो भी होगा तू. Okay, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि वो गुंडा लगता है तो गुंडा हो गया होगा तो होगा. मैं कौन सा काम हूँ? You are a young man, athlete,
Yes, sir.
sportsman. You know, एकदम खाते पीते घर का तगड़ा आदमी. Defender है. Defender is the strongest
Strong
in the.
in football. Yes, sir.
And if you say कि मैं ठीक है ये कर दूंगा हाथ से भी साफ कर दूंगा, that is not. और फिर तुम लड़ाई वाले क्षेत्र में आना चाहते हो लड़ाई करने के लिए. दोनों मैच नहीं करते हैं ना, है ना? आर्मी में क्या करना है आपने? लड़ाई करनी है ना.
हाँ.
अगर पर आ गया उधर बोलता है ये दे दो हमने दे दिया तो फिर कैसा है? फिर आर्मी की जरूरत क्या है? ओके एनीवे तो उधर भी. और ऑर्गेनाइजिंग में प्लान करना है क्या क्या लगता है. ठक एक 10 सेकंड में सोच लो कि फुटबॉल मैच में क्या क्या लगता है. प्लानिंग क्या क्या करोगे. ये प्लानिंग करो. उसको बोलो मैं प्रोफेसर है उस कॉलेज का प्रोफेसर है.
Yes, sir.
उसको समय 10 सवाल पूछो मेरे को. मैंने देखा कि आप चौकन्ने नहीं थे. मेरे को पूछना चाहिए टीम कौन बनाएगा, रेफरी कौन देगा, ये वो. तो फिर मैं बोलता ना कि वो टीचर ने जिसने बोला वही सब कुछ देगा आपको. बराबर.
Yes, sir.
There are lot of things required in organizing a match between first year students and second year student, and there is going to be a prize distribution also. Prize also I told, but you have not thought of it because you did not listen to my complete question. You must be attentive and listen to complete
Question, sir.
question and then answer all of them. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and be confident. It is potential is there, but only thing you have to make use of your education so far, your intelligence, whatever you have learned from the society, your family, others, right?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
got any questions?
No, sir.
No.
Become
Okay.
assertive,
Right, sir.
not aggressive. Okay, number one, pay attention. You've got enough capabilities. Understand? Basically, the material is there with you. You are intelligent. There's no doubt about it. Don't translate. Now you're in engineering college. You don't have to ask. You have to survive. Okay? Any question?
Okay, sir.
Right then, best of luck. God bless you. Look after yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir. Okay, sir.
Anjan, you
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
and then you can break off. Okay. You can talk to me if you want
Okay,
to.
sir.
Time. Okay.